Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back. I miss you guys a lot. So in the video, we're gonna continue doing whatever we're doing before, like designing, right? This is the third video. We still have the fourth video coming tomorrow, right? And we have also the fifth video. It's gonna be the last of this series. So just make sure to stick on this video by sharing. To stick on this channel, sorry guys. Just make sure to share this video, like this video, and also subscribing. Guys, I can't even speak anymore. I'm so excited to make another video for you guys. So just make sure to share this video, like this video, and also subscribe to this channel. So let's start, guys. So first of all, as you can see, compared to the previous video, I just modified our let's say this wall I've been modified. Like I just want to make it more entertaining. Like it was like before it was like straight, right? It's kind of a little bit boring. So now I just want to make some edge, some corner on it. Okay. So what I'm gonna do here is just like the same process that I usually do when I'm making my wall. So just basic. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just delete. I'm gonna press this wall, and then I'm gonna just delete it a little bit, and then this wall should occupy. So if I go on first, if I go on south elevation, you can see that our previous wall, like our main wall, set from the first floor, like the zero floor, the ground floor, until our second floor. Okay, so this wall, if I go on 30 view, if I click one wall here and then press Control and then select all of this remaining wall, then I go on my left part, you can see the base constraint should be first floor, and then the top constraint should be, should be 2. Okay, and then press apply. Okay, now we have our, like, the corner, the left corner look more entertaining, right? It's not that boring, so it's more kind of a little bit beautiful, but it's not over yet. So I want to create another floor. Like I want to create my balcony, like a small balcony here. So what I'm gonna do here, like I'm gonna just create a small beautiful balcony. So I will go on. So this is the first floor, so I'm gonna go on first floor, and I'm gonna go on floor, click on floor, and from floor I will pick rectangular shape, and then here I will design something, like something beautiful. All right, so you can see, right? I'm taking 4,000 for the length, and for the width I'm taking 1.9. So I'm gonna just press enter. So I just want to create like a basic balcony, and from that I just want to make sure that my level, my level starts from level 5, right? Level 5, because if I go inside elevation, right, you see that my first door, like my entrance door, starts start from the level 5. So this level 5 is just a name, because you can see, right, the space between the base level here, our base level, to the fifth level here, right, is 800, right, like 0.8 meter. So if I go again on fifth floor, I mean on the fifth or first floor, I will press OK. So I just want to make sure my constraint of this floor is level 5. And I'm gonna press OK. Okay, and I'm gonna go on 30 view, and you might see, right, this is our balcony, but it's not attached to the floor. So I need to modify the thickness. I'm gonna click on it, and I just know that my thickness is 800, right, from the first floor to the fifth floor, right? It's 8. So I'm gonna just go on edit type after selecting the floor, right? So I'm gonna go on edit type, and this is how it looks like. This is how the preview looks like. Then from here I'm gonna duplicate it, and I'm gonna just say balcony floor generic. So I can just say balcony floor G, let's say 8. Okay, so I'm gonna just press OK here, and then I'm gonna go and edit. Then here, from the thickness should be taken to be 8. So 0.8 meter, or you can just take 800 millimeter, and then just press on OK here, and then apply, or just click on OK, and then you can see the balcony has been created. Right? We can also change the material in the next video. So after this, I can just create a balcony, like a simple balcony. I can just go again on architecture, and under architecture, I can just go on, okay, let's just go on architecture, sorry guys, and then I can just go on railings here, and then just create my balcony, pick line. Let me go on fifth floor. Let me just pick this line, and then press OK. All right, so let me see if it's showing. Let me click here and then put it on fifth floor. Apply fifth floor. Okay. And then I'm gonna repeat the same. I'm gonna go on fifth floor, and then I'm gonna go on architecture, and then under architecture I'm gonna take railings, and then I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna click on pick lines. Then I'm gonna pick this line, and the base level should be fifth level. Then from that on, I'm gonna just click enter. And if you go on 3D view, you must see, right, we have our balcony, but the balcony with that window is not a balcony. I mean, a balcony with that window and door is not a balcony, right? So I'm gonna just go on door here, and we're gonna modify this to make it beautiful at the end of this series. So I have my first door here, and my second door should also be here. Okay, now we have our balcony, right? This is the creation of our balcony, right? So it's kind of more nice, right? But I just need to change the material. All right, so it's not over yet. So as you can see, we need also to attach this wall. So if I go on the first level, we need to attach this wall to this other wall here, right? So I'm gonna just delete this wall, and I can just go again here, and then here to here, simple, right? And then, all right, I forgot to change the level, so it should be from the level 1 to level 2. Okay, and then apply. All right, so we have our first balcony. So it's not over yet. So I don't want to make these Pythons to be just straight without making any creativity on it, right? Without showing any creativity. So what I'm about to do here, right? I'm gonna try to create this wall to be a little bit different, right? And more secure, right? Because my point is to make it beautiful and also secure, also to observe the security, right? To this building. So here, what I'm gonna do, I will do this first. So right now I can just go on first floor. Let me just click. Okay, let me just press escape. Let me just click everything, close everything here. So so I want to create a wall that, as I was saying before, I want to create a wall just occupy like the thickness should be a little bit smaller, and also should just occupy one, like let's say one third of this area here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go on level 4 and just create level 4. This is our first level, right? And if you go on south elevation, you can see the first level is between the second level. So like is below the second level, right? So just know it's just where the window ends, like when so is the dimension is the edge of the window, right? So it's the top of the window. Okay, so I'm gonna just create a wall that's occupy only this area here, this surface here. Okay, so just go on level 4, and from here I can just go on wall, just click on wall here, and then from this wall I'm gonna click this wall. So the top constraint, the best constraint first of all should be first floor, and then the top, it should end on the second level. Okay, it should end the second level. All right, and then it should be height, no weight, it should be height. Okay, then here I'm gonna just click on this part, and then until it should be 90 degrees. Okay, and then I'm gonna take 8,000. Okay, and then I'm gonna press escape. Then okay, let me save my project. Then from here I'm gonna delete this wall. this one here, the previous wall, because all of them have the same material, the same thickness, like everything. So that's why I'm saying. So if you want to modify, I'm gonna make the modification later. Okay. So now I'm gonna just go again on wall. Okay. Click on wall, and then this is gonna be different wall. This wall is gonna start from the first level to the second level, to the second level, the second level. Okay, then just should be here and here, and also should be here to here. Okay, so there's nothing that's something crazy that I did. Just like I just create different wall that looks more nice, no boring wall. So if I click on here, you see that we have our wall perfectly designed, right? And we have more creativity, we have more space, and we have more yeah, we can accommodate this place according to our creativity. So this is how we can create the wall, but it's not over yet. So in the next video, before we keep doing our designing, so in the next video I'm going to show how to create columns and how you can customize your own columns, right? And we can put it in here, but it's not over yet. It's not over yet. So what I'm going to do here, I just want to make sure that first of all, I just want to make sure that I have another chamber here. Let's just create another chamber. Like how can we do here? So all right, so I think we can create another chamber. We can just create another wall here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go again on first level. I'm gonna go on wall, create and click on wall, and then this wall should start also from the first floor until the second floor. Okay, then it should be only from here to here to here. Okay, since we have two walls, right? So it's like overlaps. So it's okay. It's okay, just okay. Don't worry about that. So you can just go and feed. All right. So you can see our wall is overlap. All right, it's overlap here. There's no problem. You can just change it later. There's no problem because all right. So in this case, just uh to avoid this kind of coincidence like this kind of design, it's just better for you just to cancel the one that you create before. All right, and then just go again on architecture, a wall. Okay, just open like n level and then go on architecture and so architecture. So since we know that we have a wall which starts, we have a wall already, right? Which starts from the second floor until the fourth floor. So we can just go here on the first floor here, and after opening the first floor, just make sure that the wall, the base constraints wall start from the first level until fourth. All right, until fourth, not until two, but until fourth. Then just go here, click here until this part, until the bed point here. Now you can see we don't have any overlaps. We don't have any overlap wall. Okay, and if you go on 3D view, it looks more clear. There's not that kind of line that you saw before, right? Which get the separation of like collide, like two walls being collided right together. So this is how you can do it, but it's not over yet. So still have to create the window and the columns, right? And then after that, after creating the column, we can do the rooftop, and then we can finish our design. So it's just a matter of like practicing and also being more creative. So after this, before I end the video, I can just show you how to can modify the window. We can modify the window and also the door according to your preference, right? So it's just simple, really simple. I'm gonna just press escape to cancel the comment wall. So and here, okay, here we can change. Okay, because if you go on insert and then you go on load family, all right, and if you go on door, let's just go on door, Let's just go back here and then find door. Mayo, let's see. We have door here, right? So we have many types of door, especially if you go on a residential wall, I mean door in so we can pick this kind of door. It's much more beautiful compared to the previous one. So let's pick, so we have many options, right? For the interior, like interior wall, we have interior doors, right? So we have different doors. So I'm gonna pick this. I'm gonna just click on enter and I'm gonna pick the big one. The big one should be okay, let me just take the second last. So I'm gonna take this one here, 34 inches, right? This one here, and then I'm gonna press okay, let me just take this, the last one. Okay, this one is much better. All right, then I can remove these two here, these two wall, I mean these two doors, sorry. And then if I go on architecture and then go on door, I should find this one, the one that I took, right? And then let's see, which size should I take? Any size better. Let me just take the last second and put it here. All right, done. Should change. Should be. It should be this one. Should be this one. Insertion of joint. Okay, no problem. Yes, the joint, and let me put it here. And I'm gonna remove this one, and I'm gonna put the previous one, the same thing. Like I'm gonna put the same thing. Okay. All right. But for here, we don't need a door. We don't need door here. I don't need door here. So let's leave it like this. And then, okay, so I don't want to make this video longer. So I'm gonna show you the next video. I'm gonna show how you can impose your columns to make it more nice looking. Like if you find this video if you find this video both entertaining and also educative, just make sure to join the community by sharing this video, by liking this video, and also the most important is to subscribe to this channel, guys. So see you in the next one and have a good day. See you. Bye bye.